Hi guys, I did say I wanted to motorize this monkey eating a banana automata. So let's put the light on. I've made it solar powered, but obviously it's 7 o'clock at night, but it's October, so it's dark out there. So artificial sunlight coming up. So how are we doing it? That's a hobby grade servo that I modified for 360-degree motion. Normally they only go about 180 degrees, but I modified it quite a long time ago. 3D printed a couple of pulleys. Actually, that one is misshapen. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but it still works. That one fits where we would have had the handle to crank this fella. And as you can see, it's quite a large solar panel to give us enough power. I also adjusted some of the positions of some of the pegs there because it was actually locking up. It was pulling itself too tight. So I've adjusted a few things and now it works, as you can see. So if we get some sunshine, I'll put it in the window ledge. We've had rain most of the day today. Yeah, it does need full sunshine to get it going. Yeah, success.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.